boy about to change my RAM. I'm about to be upgrading from 8 gigs of RAM to 32 gigs of RAM in this laptop. So that's gonna be a different change. For y'all that don't know, RAM is basically like the horsepower for it. You know what I'm saying? For your laptop, basically, kind of like that. So upgrading my little screwdriver. So I was trying to do this last week, but I got the wrong kind of RAM because this is my first time actually doing this, so I didn't know. So it's technically my first time replacing the RAM, but it's not gonna be my first time taking the back of the laptop off because I did it last week. So we're just gonna go around and take all these screws out. So basically I got 8 gigs of RAM. So y'all can see the difference. I'm basically going from 8 to 32 gigs of RAM if y'all look at that right quick. So this has got 4 on it, this got 8 on the front and the back. And then not only that, I got 2 of them. So ooh. There you go. So now that we got the upgrade in there, we're gonna put this back. So like I said, y'all saw a little rusty with my fingers. Like I said, this is my first time. I can't say rusty, but because I've never done it before. But it's that simple to upgrade. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace the storage drive. And one day I'm gonna replace it from a hard drive to an SSD. That's gonna be my next move. That's gonna help this move a lot faster. So yeah. Boom. There you go. RAM change is complete.